Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. We have heard learned counsel for the parties and perused the case file very minutely. Stop. The scope of the instant LPA is limited to the extent whether the judgment under appeal is permissible in law and in consonance with the settled canons of law. Stop. The first issue raised on behalf of the appellant is with regard to her under assessment on account of the marks awarded under the head of experience. Stop. In our considered opinion, for a candidate to claim such extra weightage, the same has to be necessarily for a period spent on actual research and analytic experience. Stop. Such weightage would not be permissible only by way of deeming fiction and in respect of a period of time when such employee has actually been on leave, be it sanctioned. Stop. The objective as per criteria evolved by the Commission is to reward a candidate towards possession of actual research and analytical experience, which is over and above the minimum required 8-year experience. Stop. In the given circumstances, it does not lie in the mouth of the appellant to claim weightage of 3 marks in respect of research and analytical experience while she was on extraordinary leave. Stop. In this context, we are fortified by the judgment rendered by Honorable Apex Court in V.B. Prasad versus Manager PMD UP School and others 2007 within bracket 3 RSJ 35. Stop. In such a scenario, we do not find any infirmity in the action of the respondents in having denied the petitioner weightage oblique marks towards experience and for the period when she was on extraordinary leave. Stop. Para. Another argument of the learned counsel appearing for appellant is with regard to the authenticity and genuineness of the experience certificate submitted by respondent number 4, which according to him is ex facie bogus. Stop. According to the learned counsel for the appellant, there is variance in the two forms submitted as Annexure P26 and Annexure P27 by respondent number 4 to the Commission for seeking appointment. Stop. A perusal of both these annexures would reveal that certainly there is variance with regard to the nature of experience, pay scales, etc. Stop. He has further referred to the report of the expert committee at pages 357 and 358, wherein the presence of respondent number 4 has not been shown in Venus Remedies Limited, when the expert committee visited during the relevant period for which Respondent number 4 was allegedly working with Venus Remedies Limited. Stop. Over.